Well, the bungalows look spectacular and the tourists are beginning to arrive on the beach. Thankfully, manager Orania is demonstrating how to apply the finishing touches.
Okay, yeah. Go on the other side and put them in place.
According to the team, she's the backbone of operations and the ultimate go-to when needed.
Like that.
Like that.
Yeah, that will do. And flip that one over. Wonderful. If you want to come over here, I'll give you your uniform. So, Chika, here we go. Your shirt.
Oh, nice crisp white shirt.
Okay. Trousers.
Okay. My size, I hope.
Oh, yes, I'm sure. And your apron.
Ah,
Okay.
nice.
I see you've got your white shoes, so if you'd like to go and change, get ready for the day.
Thank you.
Just in the bathroom, yeah.
Okay.
This is where it all gets a bit more real. It's time to suit up and start looking the part.
How do I look?
Oh, wow. You look really good, Chika.
Yeah?
You look like one of
I
us
look
now.
like one of you, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm ready to work. Smell good for the guests.